Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the print plate of the Dremel Digilab 3D 45 3D printer. Anytime you change out the print plate, you want to re-level it. So it has an auto leveling feature, so I'm going to open up my door. There are these two press tabs right here in the front, so I just pop those. The blue plate lifts up and slides out. These grooves here tuck underneath the lip in the back. I'm going to swap it for this other plate, which has a different surface on it. So I want to put the back end in first, make sure it's underneath the two lips, and press down in the front until it snaps. Once we have it in place, close the door, and on the screen we're going to click on level. And what it's going to do is it's going to check the plate in several different places and sort of auto level, and if anything is incorrect, it's going to tell you to raise or lower the left or right side with the two little blue wheels that are underneath the plate. So it'll take a couple of seconds as it's going to go through, and it's going to raise the plate. Oh, it's asking me if there's any glue residue. I'm going to say no, so hit done. You want to make sure there's any glue residue or chunks of anything on the plate that could be removed. So it's going to check the center first. Once it's good with the center, and it checks it twice, it's going to relocate to a different position, somewhere near the front left. Relocates again, this time to the opposite side. Okay, leveling is complete. In this case, everything is level. If not, those two blue wheels underneath would be rotated. It would show you which ones to rotate and which direction to rotate it.